How to beatbox. You'll need a mouth, the kick drum. Puff your cheeks, then let the air out while mouthing the B sound. B, b.
B, 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 b.
Yo, 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 the letter B is the place to be.
Do the same thing with the letters BS, ps, ps,
Ps, ps, ps, ps, ps, ps.
BF, and BSH.
Psh, 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 psh.
Mix them up to create a rhythm.
Psh, b, b, psh, b, b, psh, b, psh, b, b, ps, b, b, psh, b, b, psh, b, b, psh.
The hi-hat. Put your teeth together. Let out a short burst of air while making a TS sound.
Oh yeah, your hi-hat is all that.
The snare drum. Puff your cheeks, then let the air out while mouthing the P sound. P, p.
P, 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 p.
Mix things up with PS,
Psh, 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 psh.
PF, and PSH. Mix them up to create a rhythm.
Show me that snare like you just don't care.
The crash cymbal. Clench your teeth and repeat the sound. Combine all four sounds and make your own beat.
Busting rhymes to the beat is what I'm about. Bean sprout, Boy Scout, sauerkraut, now I'm out.
How